Is your Nintendo Switch Lite completely frozen or seized up? This usually happens because of software crashes, corrupted game data, or memory overload. In this video, we're gonna fix it with some step-by-step solutions. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Force restart the console. So for example, the Switch I'm holding right now has no response at all. Even if I press any button or the touchpad, the device does not respond. And funnily, even the power button doesn't seem to work. So, if you want to fix it, you should force restart your console. To do that, press and hold the power button on the top of the console. Hold it down for 15 seconds straight. Yes, count it out. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 15. Then, release the button. Wait a second. Now press the power button once normally for 3 seconds. If the screen turns on, great! Your Switch just needed a forced reboot. Solution 2. Check for game or app crashes. If it freezes only during a certain game or app, force restart the console by following the fix number 1. Then, scroll to System Settings and open it. From the left, scroll down to Data Management. Go to the right and select Manage Software. Click on the problematic game from here. After that, select Delete and re-download the problematic game or app as it could be corrupted. And that's how you fix a frozen or unresponsive Nintendo Switch Lite, step by step. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit the like button. And make sure to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.